Howdy folks, Chuck here, Why Not Wander, in the RV. Got the Muttley crew here waiting at the door. Gonna go out for a little walk. It is Tuesday, December 11th, 3 weeks to the day after my left knee replacement surgery. Doing real well. Big news for the day. New grandbaby was born last night. I got the call about 3:30 or so. We're gonna take the dogs for a little walk here and go up to the hospital and see the new baby, son Adam, his wife Lindsay. And anyway, I'm walking real good. You can see it was my left knee here. Had replaced. I'm gonna set the camera down and let you watch me walk. I've been doing physical therapy 3 times a week, but the last few times I've gone in, it's really kind of been repetitious. Same thing we're doing, exercising the knee to improve range of motion. But for right now, it's taking the Muttley crew for a little walk, and I'll put them in the hallway bathroom in the RV and then head into town. Come on, Jasper. Biggest issue with the Muttley crew is always getting leashes tangled. They have a knack. These 2 brown ones, brown and white, have a way of taking off. But mostly my physical therapy, improving range of motion. Now I had the right knee done 3 months ago. This one done 3 weeks ago. Total knee replacement. But we're just improving. Now I can bend it about 105 degrees with help when I'm laying flat on the table. So most of my exercises are improving my balance, being able to use the muscles needed to stay standing straight, to walk, to go up and down stairs. As you can see, I'm pretty mobile, but still don't have full strength. They say it takes 8 to 10 weeks for soft tissue to heal. It's been 3 weeks to the day since my surgery. But I just wanted to give you an update. I haven't been doing dailies because it's pretty much the same thing every day. I'll probably, it's a little chilly out today, so I'm not wearing shorts. But I thought maybe later today I would get a shot of my knees, and all I have now is scars on the outside. Cooper! Cooper thinks he's free. He wants to go wandering. Get back here, let me have your leash. We can't stay out here long because I gotta go see the new baby. Cooper, stop and stand still. I want you to turn around when I want to turn around, which is gonna be pretty quick here. It's in the 40s, supposed to snow tomorrow. Still at Rubidoux RV Park, Gearing, Nebraska. So come on guys, let's go back. Come on, Sparky, Jasper. Lily, there's Lily, there's Cooper, there's Sparky. Jasper, come on. He thinks he's a hunter. If he finds anything bigger than a rabbit, he's scared to death. So, he's a Chewiener, Chihuahua Dachshund cross. Cooper here's the Dachshund, brown and white. Lily's a Uranian, Yorkie Pomeranian mix, and Sparky's a Black Terrier mix. Nobody knows for sure. Some people think he's got some Skipper Key in him. Some people say wire-haired terrier. Looks a lot like Toto from The Wizard of Oz, except for the longer nose. Which Toto's a Cairn Terrier. He might have some Cairn in him. We don't know. Come on, you guys. Sparky. Here's home. I go put the dogs away and head in and see the new grandbaby. Be back with y'all in a little bit. Okay folks, so I moved inside out of the cold. I put on a pair of shorts. I just wanted to show you my knees here. Let's see, I don't know what to do for more light. Raise the window shade maybe. Anyway, right knee I had replaced about August 23rd, 3 months ago. This one I had replaced November 20th, 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks to the day. Got my staples out after 10 days. We're now right at 21 days, so 11 days ago, but you can see it's pretty well all healed up. I've been going to physical therapy 3 times a week. I think I mentioned after a while that gets pretty boring. I got dogs now that want attention from me now that I'm inside and sitting down. One of the main things I had to learn to do, my knees of course didn't go bad just overnight. It's been a process over a number of years. The left knee was bone on bone. Right knee still had a little bit of cartilage left. They told me the left one was worse, but the right one hurt more. That's why we had it done first. But I think the left one has been healing faster because I've been compensating for the pain in the right knee by using this leg more. And boy, listen to that wind out there. It's just rattling my awning, something terrible. I don't know, I might have to reshoot this if that gets too bad. But hey, I wanted to show you one of the main exercises I have to do is being able to stand up without pushing myself, raising myself with my arms, which I'm getting pretty good at now. Okay? That's something I couldn't do for years. I always had to make sure I was sitting somewhere where I could push off of something, raise myself up, even if it was just the chair going like this. Those of you with bad knees know what I'm talking about. I've recovered to the point where this is actually pretty easy for me and good exercise for my knees. So anyway, 3 weeks in, doing real well. I don't know how many more updates I'll do to this because there's not much more to show you. I do still have, they say 8 to 10 weeks for soft tissue to heal, so inside my knee is not all healed up. It still is kind of sore, especially at night when I'm trying to sleep. But with ice packs and a little bit of Tylenol, ibuprofen, I've been coping pretty good, getting some pretty good sleep. Terribly windy in the Panhandle of Nebraska. Of course, what that noise is, the awning topper. This is a slide out here. Topper awning, I guess is the correct word. When you roll the slide out the awning unrolls. Then you can pull it on down for summer shade and things. But it's just out there whipping in that wind. I just went out a little bit ago and checked to make sure everything was okay. It is a pretty new fabric we just put on, I think about a year ago, because the other one had worn out. But anyway, just showing progress on my knees. Wanted you to be able to see them, compare them. They're doing darn good. I'm feeling pretty good about it. By spring, I should be doing real well. Of course, I've been doing physical therapy, doing a couple miles on the exercycle to warm up every day for physical therapy, and then we're doing some other stretching, walking exercises and whatnot, just to improve my range of motion with both knees. Now I can straighten them both out 100% straight. The right one I have about 110 degrees bend. The left one 105 is about all we're getting out of it, and that's just after it's loosened up. But again, as it heals on the inside, that all should improve. So just wanted to add this to my 3-week video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Leave a comment, ask a question if you have any. Be safe, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.